What's up guys, and welcome to another video here on the CMB Tech YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to be doing a review of the Ring Video Doorbell. So getting straight into the video, this is the Ring Doorbell, as you can see mounted on this wall just here. We have got it next to the traditional doorbell here, and overall it actually looks very sleek looking. So this is the regular Ring Doorbell one, which was the first one to come out, and it has 720p HD video recording along with night vision, and it also has a very wide field of view, much like a GoPro actually, so then it captures a lot of the surroundings of your door, and it also does have night vision as well, so that you can see people coming to your door at night as well. So in terms of batteries with this device, you have two different options in terms of supplying the battery to it. You can even use the mains via your house or something like that, or you can use the micro USB to charge the battery. Also, in terms of design of this, it's a very sleek looking design. It has the Ring logo just on the bottom there, along with the button, the camera, and then a small sensor there, which I believe is for the motion detection, which is something else that this camera does have. Along with that, this also does control the night vision as well. Installation was very easy when we got this device. There was a relatively small amount of stuff that came in the box. You insert the 4 small sockets into the wall, and then at the bracket it also comes with the dedicated screwdriver as well, which allows you to insert this panel here with obviously all the buttons and that sort of thing. So overall it was a very easy installation, and you do not need to worry that it's going to be complicated. Now the dimensions are also very small on this device as well, so it's nice and compact. It's about the same size actually as an iPhone SE, so that makes it nice and compact and discreet. But it does mean that the doorbell has a nicely sized button as well, which means that it's nice and comfortable to use for anybody who is knocking on your door. Due to the front design of this being quite small, however, it does mean that it's quite thick in depth. However, that is not something you really need to worry about, as it's entirely intrusive on your door space. One of the main features with this device which makes you buy it is the fact that it has two-way audio, which means that as long as you have the Ring app installed on your phone, the app is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. It's a very nice app. You can navigate around some of the camera's functions, and obviously that means that it does have the two-way audio on this device. So say you are away and the postman comes, you can tell him to drop it outside your door via the two-way audio, as this has a microphone out as well.
So to charge the Ring Video Doorbell, you need to undo the 2 security screws at the bottom of the doorbell. So looking at what contents is included in the box, it has this nice magnetised window so you can see what's in it, and once you actually open it, it comes with lots of things that you need to install it, like the spirit level to make sure the device is level on your wall, a drill bit so you can drill into the wall to put the mounted bracket in, and a special screwdriver from Ring so you can make sure the security screws stay in so nobody can steal it or anything. It has this unique screwdriver, and on the other end it has a crosshead screwdriver to install the mounting bracket onto the wall, and it has some information on with different languages, and a little wire that connects your previous doorbell wire to your new one in case you wanted it to run on power into the battery.
So this is a test of the audio and video quality on the doorbell. It's relatively mid-morning, so the lighting is fine, and as you can see the audio is just as good as well. It's audible, it's not in quality, but then that's not the whole idea of this. You can hear the people on both sides of the microphone as well.
So on vice versa, this is talking through the doorbell from your phone, and this is two-way audio so you can talk to each other.
So looking at the actual menus of the app, you can see all the different rings that has happened and all the different motion detections that it took, and you can even see the stats such as the battery, and you can also see the live view, so what is happening at this exact point, and you can speak because it has obviously two-way audio. So thank you for watching this video guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and we did a review on the Ring Video Doorbell, and hope you enjoyed it guys. So this is the end of the video guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and also follow our Instagram and Twitter, which is both at CMB Tech _. Thank for watching, guys. Bye for now.